Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to another video. Are you looking to make real money from your website, blogs, or social media? Let me introduce you to Monetag. It's one of the best platforms to monetize all kind of traffics, no matter where it's coming from. So, what exactly is Monetag? Monetag is a platform for publishers like you and me, so that we can earn more money using their high CPM and using their multiple ad formats that they provide, and also the reliable weekly payouts. So I'll walk you through this platform and let's get right into my screen. All right, so what makes Monetag stand out? Obviously, their high CPMs, thanks to their thousands of advertisers across top platforms like top industries like e-commerce, finance, apps, and more. So, if you want a proof of how people are making money using Monotag, you can just visit their website and go to blog section here. And here you can find out how people are using this platform and making serious money. Okay, I will leave this link in the description as well. So this is how Monetag is helping with high CPM ads on your websites and your blogs. And next off, the most important one is ad quality and safety. So this is one of the features that I love about this platform, because what Monotag does is for every campaign, for every ad that the publisher wants to run, it undergoes moderation. So it is manually checked, and all the ads are being reviewed. So there is no chance for scams or adult content or any shocking content, or definitely no phishing. So if you are worried about the sketchy ads, don't be. Okay, so to understand how this ads and what are their policies, I'll leave the screenshot. You have the screenshot over here. You can find this on their website as well. So you can see any sexual content will not be allowed, malware, any super scary, any misleading ads will not run on your website, and any fake tech support, because that is how people are scamming around the world. And anything that is high risk, like alcohol, tobacco, and drugs, will not be considered. And obviously, if the ad is offensive, abusive, or something of a hate mongering content that is promoting hate speech, the platform will not approve it. So amazing, isn't it? So that's one of the most important feature: quality of ads and how safe the ads are, because you just can't give out your website. You can't just rent out the space to any uh, ad publishing platform, isn't it? Okay, so, and another amazing feature of this platform is their fast payments. So what really happens with a lot of platforms is that they will get you the traffic, they will show that you have this money, and the payouts are very late. But not with this one. With Monotag, you get your weekly payments, and the minimum payment is just $5. So with the revenue of as little as $5, you can apply for a payout, and you can start taking this payout using multiple payment options like PayPal, crypto, bank transfer, and more. So to understand this, you can just visit their website and go to their blog, or you don't have to go to the blog, just go to their main page, scroll down, and here you will find all the variety of payment methods that this platform offers, like PayPal, you have Skrill, you have wire transfer, you have Payoneer, and whatnot. So that's about the payment. What I really like about this platform, because the payments are smooth and fast, and every single week. Okay, so the most important aspect of the ad platform is the type of ad variety, the variety of ad formats that this platform offers on your website, that this can place on your website to help you generate maximum profits. Okay, so Monotag gives you a lot of ways to monetize, and one of which is called smart link. So what this smart link will does is, this is something which is perfect for social media. So it's a direct link, which is a specialized link from Monotag, that will take the visitors to the relevant ads based on all the, the how the ad works and the cookies and whatever. And this brings the highest revenue for for the publishers. So you can explore this option here. And next off is you have something called pop under. Pop under is nothing but it's a ad that is placed just under the content or just near your content. So what really happens is when you monetize your website or a landing page, one of this pop under ads is that it will be placed here. You can see the video demonstration of how this ad will be placed on your desktop and on the phone. This is, if you visit the website, you will understand how exactly these ads are being placed. Okay, so this is another type of ad format, and you have push notification. I'm sure you know what is push notification and how it works. So if you have visited YouTube or any website, you might have come across a push notification like this that pops up, and you just need to allow, and this will try to navigate and take you to that site. So this is how the platform will also help you monetize using this format. And next off, we have something called Wiginit banner. So these banners are nothing but you can get 60% gets more CTR because this is like really eye-catching. So this type of formats usually on tech websites are is something that the websites with coupons and this lot of promotions, they use this, and it's really working. Okay, and next off we have in-page push. So this is a type of ads that you can monetize the traffic from all the browsers and devices. So can you see, this is how it might look on your website. So this is a type of ad format that Monetag is gonna help set up on your website and start monetizing and start making money from your website and blog. And the next off there's a format called interstitial. Okay, let's see. I really don't know what this ad is about. So let's find out what this ad is all about. So this is a non-intrusive banner with high CPM and CTR. So this is how the ad would look. Let's find out. So you can see this is just a pop-up that is bigger in size, and also that looks really cool on the website view, and this really grabs the attention of the viewers. And once the right product is promoted by Monetag, this will help you generate a lot of money because there's high impressions, high eyeballs on this thing. That's what we call the impressions, right? Yeah. So impressions, and then high number of engagement on the ad, which really helps Monetag and you as publisher to make a lot of money. Okay, so that's about ad format. And let's talk about some extra perks that you can get with Monetag. So if you want more reasons to try it, they have something called a referral program. Okay, so this referral program is amazing because once you invite a friend to Monetag, and you get to earn 5% of commission for every person that you bring in. So let's say you start using this platform, and you really liked it and you wanted to recommend to your friends, and you get paid for it. How amazing is that? And the next step is to sign up. Just click on this sign up button here on Monetag, and just select your sign up method either through email or through your Google account. I'll click on continue with Google, select the account that you want to sign up with, and let me select an account, and then you'll agree, just allow Google with all this information. And here you'll need to fill up all the details. If you're a company, you'll select company, or if you're individual, you'll select individual. Let me quickly fill up these details with your name, contact details, and your website details, and there are some basic questions, how you hear about us and all that. So I'll quickly fill this. I'll enter the website and whatever that is required, and click on sign up. There you go. This is the platform. You'll need to add and verify the website that you want to monetize. I'll click on add site, and that's it. You can see that right on the top, you can see how much this website has generated or what's your revenue. That's really amazing, right? So it says not verified. For that, you need to verify using the method here. You can see you need to comply with the requirements. Let's click on requirements, and this will tell us what are the requirements for your website to be monetized, and you can read that out. And then on the right you have all these buttons here, a dashboard from where you can go to statistics to understand how your website is performing, and you can select the tweet range and the source and basically understand how the website and the ads are performing. And the next is Telegram mini apps, if you're using this one for your Telegram mini apps. And next we have something called direct link, which is nothing but smart link that I explained to you earlier in the video. So from here you can start generating this direct links. You can copy and start promoting that on your social media. And we have a payment section here where you can see how much payment, how much money is available for you to withdraw, and what is the balance, and if there is any balance that is on hold for some violation, you'll see that here. And next is earning. Here you will understand right now we don't have any earnings, so I will skip that. And the next we have help center, from where you can get all your queries resolved. And once you are using this platform, you get 24/7 support all day, every day. So that is how amazing this platform is, and I want you guys to go and try this. And once you try, come back to this video or come back to my any video, or just email me or send me a message that you had a good experience with this platform. I'll leave all the links to this platform in the description, so read and click on the link. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.